Assembly esi ewa adabraka eno hunti dead body bi abem police for ye premier nsa ya say enkrofo mienu cars police wan kasanso wo patrol car ba ko ya say no assembly ni na me de betudwa amamo na nse ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on so we yan sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka me try say de bi assemsi a ye wo two sides intino ye wo the people of Adabraka womo ye attack no womo side ya chi police watch 4 young men womo ye attack no womo side ye wo police one so a side now asem na say asem na kasa ne say youth be encrophobic die bufu akọ Adabraka police station akọ chese akọ tutummo abu police for na hwe chese nye ize Emma nini nechi no womo sanso ekra dead body bi a womo koja dead body ne to police station ho. Na we nia na nkrofo bi say edie na esi ye. So from the point of view of nkrofo womo ye adie we no. Womo say ebeye ewia ni mu no police ni bi eba Adabraka inside na baby wo ho a river bi wo refer no em say Odo river o say den. Sa Odo na river o say Odo river no. Eho Odo river sa na refer no e wo Odo na. Now, I say police for HAC in Branchie. So this is the story from the youth. Wamoko attack police no. Wamo say police for HAC wamu nipa bi. Na enamso Emma wamu nipa na eko to Odo river nim Emma nipa no ehuye. Enu hunti wamu buefu. Say ade na wose police who chase nipa sa Emma nipa no eku ne ho. Ana ema nipa no sebe wokoto nsuo mu ema ne wona se nipa ne kun ne ho but police ni chase ni nti se ne na police ni de ebufuo chase nti ena ema nipa no ekoto nsuo ni mu a wobu ye nti no wo mu bufu ye se ade ne wo se police ni wo ye saa nti eno ho attack ena wo mu be attack police na wo mu dead body no ebe to police station ho no. Okay, so this is the story from the youth. Well, sorry, our more candidate, our more attack police. No, later I'll come on the police arresting some of them and all. Now, police for instance, someone more can first. Now, police for say, one more here say, Ngofone beba be attack or eba be dead body because they don't know what is going on. Until a numuna later, one so ebe explain your story and they say, policeman be a giant car, just in the car say ye. Emma wode ne car no koto fitafuo bi mu se wo mo fix car ne ma no na police ni no kwa check on the car no na police ni kwa check on the car no o kwa na tese abranche bi wo hu police ni no se wono ankasa so wo di boni o se den yo e na abranche ni hu police ni a wono ankasa ye se wo dwane e na abranche ni koto Odo river ni mu abranche ni wu ye nti police ni ne de wo se wono wanko se wo ko chesi wo bia wo ko je ne car na branche no se ebia boni bi na odi na wodi hu onu police ni na ma akọ wo dwane na we hu na wokoto river ni mu ma branche no ewu ye na police ne se wo ho a wo hwa ne kan ne ho ane se youth a wo mo area ni mu no aba police ne so atete na tare se we hu dia waye police ne se na me ma eden me ba garage na wo hu me na wo dwane me ma eden me ma chese womo yesa womo bu policeman no. Luckily enough, there were some policemen around and a woman near eba around a womo ba jesa policeman no. And yes nkamrante ne bebu ne kuno. Nti eno na later youth na womo chi policeman na no mo bono no womo de ebufuo ba police station ho a womo ba ye de womo ye no. So this is the story. One from the youth, the other from the police. Bosha hwan e na wo ka ne kre no. Nekra youth ne de womu de ebufuo akọ police station ho akọ say nyama ene de yanka ne yeboa womu akọ say nyama papa na wo hwa se ne na omo doso womu de ahonden eba na sa Adabraka police station for na kasa hu ne se we de e wo say ye free backup nti omo free backup from Nima police station omo sanso free backup from Accra regional police just say enye easy na backup ni bedu ono youth no hu say say police we ba no omodos no ena wo mu dwane ye. Now obviously you can't go and attack the police and then expect the police not to make some arrest. Until later police won no boabo wo mo ho ekọ kro ni mu biom ena che say wo mu nyante ye say nipa we ka ho nipa we ka when da me ne o ka say ya arrest nkrofo baako 4 youth emebunu 4 say wo mo akọ police for ama che say wo mo akọ yakayaka de wo mo akọ tutumbo abo police for no epra police for miensa na me ne o ka say wo mo war hospital a wo mo ji ayaresa. So this is the story. Asem we wo ayakoye say se wu ni hwa ntumi enka ne ye. 1 wo bia wo wo hwa wo hu de osi e no betumi aka because police dey dey na sama ba say wo no we nchesi abrante no abrante ni hu no na abrante nem so no ane boni bi e na wo di dwane. So you can't really say and asem bi say no ayakoye say Major Mahama de ani bi emebunu na wo mo atigu police din so wo mo bo no ebia obi a wono nso koto ne nsa ebu police tete police na tai na ebia na wono we hu de police ni ye yo na so obedu ho no wotin say yesi asumesi ewu emza brante na we wu ne yesi friend Samuel seden yesi Samuel it wotin say Samuel na eden e ba yesi police ni no tan so eno wo chesi na okoto gad oye de nkra wo be believe na so wako say odi egufu okobu police ni no. Now so be another bakuna walk country on the crown no cry yes and na what just like Captain Major just like Major Mahama ono so ne de no imebunu ne ti say yes you okretuo omko chibo eto ne so bo no yes wo ye kronfo mi wa no onye kronfo. So asem we akoye asem bia pa se wu ni ho pa e be ye den se obetumi aka asem ni bi. Because yes, it could be a situation say policeman indeed he was chasing this person because the matter cry youth ne can say and you no pen na policeman ni chasing crofo mienu and away ekoto river no more wo here. That's what I've also heard. But you see it could be say indeed policeman no will chase abrantie for apparently reason bia enche dan nya big sir. The one za branch na ewunti wono so kana asem eyi ne ho afi asem mu because asem ba nipa sa wo be ni ho afim. We hear these matters a lot of times. In the asem we pan there to pick side no heading and you see a police for na nkasa so na investigation o man we mu ayetim say police ni ekodi bone na wo mu investigation and we all know what happens. Yenya nim de esi I say police for no e was say ye twe omo aso no ye ntwe omo aso ye wo man we mu e na police for e kwachi nkrofo bi wo Kumase ebubo wo mutuo ekun omo later eden e no mekan police for no share that the etuo to nkrofo we nchen e magana for believe say nkrofo we ye armed robbers na so nkrofo no na nkrofo ni mo mu wo area mu say say asumesi wo kasa wo ye armed robber pan there wo police ni no wo boa. Inti nkrofo no nkrofo mu ni momo extra original say wo mo mpene say mo police for na kan eyentro meanwhile na police for the statement aba said these people were armed robbers and sign a private investigation aban who say assembly mu ya den because it became a serious fight in Kumasi last 2 years and sign a private investigation be mo wo mo ni abe who say say police for ni mo na twa nkrofo no wo mo nye armed robbers. Police for na akobo mu tue ku omo e na wo mo hye dade etu ato omo nchen se wo mo ye armed robbers na afei e wo se aban e compensating crofo yi de esi ye ne se each family of omo a wo mu wu ye no aban be ma wo mo 200,000 Ghana cedis. You see, so there are cases like that. There are two police for na wo mo ko ye sa ade no yante even their identity no yamfa mba bonten now so a civilian bi and a wakopo obi tioku na naka police for and a civilian identity beba bonten. Story where I can say. Story where I can. Police for kra ede nipa na wewu no ene sa nyama na identity aba bonten ba police ni na wo ye in question no na identity ya hide. So you see it could be Ebia, the police for can they want to do investigation. It could be true, but for me, the police on my records on issues like this, no, and no hunti, and my thing, send me, meji omwedi, and now meji one investigation edi. Yategana has a BBC, oh, your bay investigation, amanaba. Lockdown by a soldier Nico Bo a branch beat you kun wa shama. Ah, Mokatan so one investigation manaba no. Is it not over a month now? Yati bibi. Ye kuma branch ne kwa. Obi anka hwe emfa ho. Ye ku ne kwa. You see? So as someone made bia meka no no. Mebunu no de omo ye na enye. But you see, if things like this keep on happening between the police, we going say these are the things we'll be seeing. Because police in Oya, as a one or family 3D dim, and it's not only in Ghana, Abroche Krasa, police ni kumobi and now you be bia, we're going to say yeah, the flimsy excuse biaba. I hope that this is not one of those stories. But I'm going to try my comment box in the